earn free money online with just your personal internet. Yes, you heard right. In this video, I will show you how to make money online with your personal internet. First, go to this website. This website will pay you. The link of this website is pinned in the comments. When you let their app consume your unused data, they also provide an estimated revenue calculator to calculate your potential revenue. For example, if you have 2 devices, you'll learn use 2 gigs of your data. If you have 10 devices, you can earn about $24 per month. If you let them use your 10 gigs of data per day, you can earn $600, which is a good amount. They say this is an estimated monthly income. In my experience, they pay you around $520, which is also a decent amount. To do this, you turn on the app and also they consume your data in the background while you use your device normally. I recommend this app at night when you sleep use. Registration steps: simply click on create account here and enter your detail like name, email address and password. After entering your details, you will receive a confirmation link in your email website. After logging in, you will receive a $5 bonus. That's great. Consider it's a gift for me. Here you will see the payment option where the minimum payout threshold is only $20 because you have only received $5 and you only need to earn $15 to receive. There are 2 ways to make money on this website. First, by selling your data, and second, by referring friends and family members. A powerful way to make money when the referral user makes a payment. You will receive a $5 bonus and also 10 of their lifetime income. Now, let me show you how to earn money by selling your unused internet data. Simply click on the download button to get the app on your respective device. After downloading, grant the necessary permissions to the app and you are all set. You don't need to do anything else. Just sit back and relax and your income will increase automatically. I know you may have questions about this website. You can trust it completely. They will not violate your privacy or share your IP address with anyone. Your data is only used for research purpose and many organizations use it to research various technologies. This website assumes you have installed unlimited internet or Wi-Fi at your place and your family has a total of 8 devices. If you use them all wisely, you can easily earn more than $400.